Here's a detail of the Märklin tram. An early bicycle by an unknown German manufacturer. This case is dedicated to all kinds of construction boxes. And here's another case showing some children's books. Mostly printed in lithograph. Dating about 1880 to 1920. The construction boxes started with the famous Anker Baukasten made in the 1890s. And we also have the very first sets of the Meccano boxes made in 1901, when the boxes were called Mechanics Made Easy. This box is called Tupo and was made in 1930s by an unknown German manufacturer. Bauschule is a quite early box made of cardboard. And here are the anchor boxes made of a kind of stone. The museum has one of the best collections of anchor boxes, but they are not on display. And here's a German version of Meccano, made by Märklin, and some Swedish boxes of wood. It's a special box to construct an aeroplane made by the Dux Works in the 1930s, and another similar English one made by the Meccano. A very impressive box is this box made by the Schuko factory in 1952 to construct 2 electric limousines. Now we are up on our way to the 3rd floor in the museum. Here's a box showing what we call ABC books, and here's a political one from Germany from the 1930s, and another Swedish one from the same period. This case shows all kinds of spinning tops. The horse on top is quite early, dating about 1830, 1840s. And in this case we have all kinds of ball games. The print is 18th century, showing a boy playing with a spinning top. You have the bilboquet, you have the yo-yo, diabolo, all kinds of tops. Humming tops, wooden tops, metal tops, gyro tops. And a nice bilboquet in ivory. These butterfly tops were made by Marklin. A funny game working with gyro and ball bearings made by Günthermann in the 1930s. Bagatelle boards of French and Swedish manufacture. And a Russian game of wood, hand-painted wood, and a Tivoli game on the left. The Tivoli game is dating about 1860s, 70s. In the middle is a Swedish croquet game dating back to 1890s. Games and conjuring tricks. Question games. This ivory set was probably made in Japan about 1880, 1890. It's very, very well made and complete. Chinese rings, Jack in the Box in different versions, both Germans. A nice old snake in a candle made of ivory. Case showing different kinds of weapons, manufactured and homemade. The gun, nickel-plated gun, is American, about 1905.